Hi everyone and welcome. In front of me is Audio Pro C20 speaker, and today I will show you how to pair your Audio Pro speaker with your app on iOS device. Let's get started. At first we have to power up our device with this button over there. Now we have to click Audio Pro on our iOS device. Now I have to click Add Speaker, click Allow while using the app, click Allow, and choose our device. It's Audio Pro C20. It's this one. Click Connect Speaker, and now click Set up this device. Now we have to enter our password for our Wi-Fi. And click Next. Now we have to wait a moment. And now, as we can see, the device is connected to our Wi-Fi network successfully. Now we have to click Next, and it's checking now the latest firmware. Now we can rename our device. Our device would be Hard Reset, and click Done. Now we have to click Next, and our device is ready to go. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.